Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's break things down. For the first set of 8, we're just going to simply walk onto the dance floor. Notice the leader should be on the left side of the dance floor and the follower is on the right side. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and walk onto the dance floor. Once you get to the middle of the dance floor, you pause for a second. On the second set of 8, leader and follower are going to take a small step out to the sides. So leader, your weight should be on your left foot. Follower, your weight is on your right foot. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. On count 5, 6, 7, 8, leader, you're going to draw a circle with your right hand counterclockwise towards you so that your partner is wrapped around and she should be right beside you on the right side. And we're in a cradle position like this. Follower, your arm should be crossed in front of you. Make sure your right arm is on top of your left arm. Okay, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8. On the next set of 8, we're going to do the peekaboo. So leader, you're going to take a small step or put your left foot in on count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what you're doing. It's a kind of a step, tap, step, tap. Okay? And follower, we're going to take a step forward slightly with your right foot, step, tap, and then step, tap. Yeah, so follower, you're going to start with your right foot going right, tap, left, tap. Okay, so the idea is that you're going to step towards your front, in front of your partner, and we're going to kind of doing a little peekaboo, looking at each other. There we go. Let's do this one more time for you. We are in our cradle position. Follower, starting with your right foot, we go step, point, step, and look. Good. Okay. On the last set of 8 here, leader, you're going to bring your partner's right hand high, and you're going to draw 2 circles clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to come together on 5, 6, 7, 8, and we are in the dance position. Okay, so let's do this last set of 8 one more time here. We just finished our peekaboo. Leader, you're going to bring your partner's hand up and draw 2 circles clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then dance position. Notice, follower, your steps should be pretty small. We're just taking 2 kind of 4 little turning step and then facing your partner at the end. Leader, you're just going to take 2 small steps walking towards your partner. There you go. Okay, and that's the end of our intro. And now we're ready for the dance pattern 1.